2.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, Pierce Family Wellness. This month on Instagram, you can follow us. We are doing, it's all about fascia. And so today we're gonna bring you a video all about stretching your wrist flexors, all the things that do this kind of action. It's great for dentists, gamers, office workers. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, click to subscribe. And if you want to be the first to get the new videos, make sure that you hit the notification bell. Let's get started. So what are we doing today?
Today we're doing the myofascial stretch for the wrist flexors.
Why are we doing that?
They tend to get tight when we type, when we type, when we text, when we hold tension, so it's to open up the front of the arm.
Awesome.
To begin the wrist flexor stretch, we're going to slowly walk our hands as far back as you can. If you can't get them all the way back like in the video, no big deal, they can be out to the sides. The more you turn them back, the more you're going to stretch the entire flexor line. We have the finger spread, the elbows locked, and turning the back of the elbows towards each other. We're going to think of trying to lift the fingers off the ground, though they're not actually going to go anywhere. Try to again keep the elbows locked, the pelvis tucked. Make sure you're breathing into your stomach. Again, trying to press the palm into the floor while you lift the fingers up. Sit back for an even bigger stretch.